So here we are at our campsite. This is my nephew. He is going to have his own tent. I'm going to have my tent next to him. Then with a tarp in between, like a roof. And we have a couple of laptops, or 3 actually. So we are going to play Call of Duty. No! No! And we have a very nice view here, as you can see. Nice mountains, so that's great. He is going to fly a drone, the DJI Spark and Mavic Mini. Using a rocket stove to make some hamburgers. Now we're talking. So Robert has eaten his first burger. Very good?
Yeah.
That's great. And that chair? What do you think about that chair?
The chair is kind of not great in this type of ground.
No.
If it was a mountain like rocks, it would be probably better.
He fell backwards.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the
ground is really soft.
Yeah, and the legs stick in the ground. Making food with the rocket stove and the Trangia. Ow! Robert has made a fire, a campfire, so boiling water should be a lot easier now. So we can use our heat bottles, what do you call them? Heat bottles, yeah. You put water in, hot water in bottles and you put them in your sleeping bag. Yeah. Okay, the water is boiling and Robert is pouring it into the heat bottle thing. Okay, I'm in my tent and I'm going to see if I can find my friend here, or I don't know, my nephew.
Hey, we are friends.
Yeah. But you're my nephew. No. No! No! Okay, so I can't walk and press the mouse button at the same time. That doesn't work. Can't shoot while strafing. Now I can shoot. And going left or right is very hard. I have to press the button hard. Haha! I killed him! It's morning. I'm cleaning my pan. Going to make some breakfast. As you can see, it is a bit windy. But it's still okay. I'm still able to cook food. Okay, let's bring the first one over to him and ask him how he slept. Hello.
Good morning.
This is the first one.
Oh.
So how did you sleep?
It was hard to fall asleep because you snored.
I snored?
Yeah.
That loudly?
Yeah.
The whole night or?
Until I fall asleep.
Okay. That's not good. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
And what's the temperature like? You can see 3.6 degrees inside, 0.7 outside. In my tent, yeah, let's check out my tent here. First, this one smells a bit burned. Oh! It's a bit hotter now. This was not so easy. I guess there's a vacuum, so I need to cool it down. to reduce the pressure inside the kettle here. Also, this. Or maybe not. Yeah, I'm screwed. It kind of got burned here, so I have to just, yeah, scrape it off and then eat it like that. My door has been open for a long time, so, but the temperature has been like 1 degree warmer in my tent than outside. So this tent is a lot cooler than my nephew's tent here, because all I have is mesh on the inside.